So you'll have seen from the previous video that we've been pretty busy with work over the past month and a bit with everything that's going on. But we've reopened work again now, and we're starting to get back to some sort of normality. So that's took a lot of pressure off us. So we've been recording a couple of videos during lockdown. Not a lot, but I'll start to upload those onto YouTube now. And one of the things that I've been meaning to do for a while is to sort the window latches out on our boat. There's quite a few of them that have broken, snapped off, and with the wind that we've been having over the past couple of weeks, it's been coming through the edges of the windows because they've not been shut properly. So that's what I'm going to do today. Our boat's fitted with Calwell windows, which are a Wigan company, and one of the main problems with the older type windows is these little latches. You can see that properly on the camera. These little latches fasten it in place, and on this type they're prone to snapping off like this one has, and it's a problem that they know about, and on the new models they've changed the design of them. You can get replacement ones of these from Calwell's, but they are quite expensive and they're a completely different design to this. So I decided to see if I could find something that holds them on like these do. So I managed to find these little studs off eBay from China, and they come in packs. There's quite a few in a pack. And these, there's a thread on one side, a male thread on one side and a female thread on the other, and they just screw into each other. So the idea is that these, in theory, should hold it in place. Right, so I've put that one on the opposite side. Try and do it so it's pointing up in the middle. Right, so put that one on there. I really need to do this with both hands. And then that should go over there. And that should go in there. And then I just need to tighten it up with one finger on the other side and a flat-headed screwdriver. So I'll have to do that with putting the camera down. So just need to tighten that up now with a flat-headed screwdriver. Let's see if we get on. So that's all secured in now. So on the other side it's just completely flush, and then on the inside it's got the groove for tightening it up. And one thing I've just noticed, if I'm going to be opening and closing these, it's going to undo itself. So I think I need to find some little washers to go in between, focus camera, to go in between the fastener and the glass, just so when I'm opening and closing the window, you can see that there it's moving the fastener and undoing it. So that's become loose already, so I need to find some washers for that. So I've fitted these now, and I've put the washers in between them, so when I open and close them it doesn't become loose. That's something else ticked off the list.